Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to search and open files in Windows from CMD. To start, enter CMD in the search box. Click on the command prompt. In the console, browse to the file, run the command dir /file name */s, press enter. After that, in the results, it copies the path where the searched file is located. Now with the command cd, access that path. Then run the dir command to view the file. After that, open the file by entering file, press enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.